Alright guys, this is the most epic thing I've ever seen at a wedding. I'm going to video this so you can see it. Right here in my hand I have a remote and a remote and a walkie-talkie. When the pyrotechnic says fire in the hole, the bride's going to press a button and the fireworks will go off.
Which button do I push?
Can you hold that just for 1 second?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Alright, so
That one?
this slides down, hold on.
Slide it down.
Don't push it. No, it's not a button, not a button.
Okay. Which one, B?
Okay.
A, B, or C?
Okay, the bride's about to hold the remotes right now, okay?
Alright, well, I just gotta get one person in position and be about 30 seconds here.
Which, A, B, or C?
I'm going to press A. Once you press A, there's no turning back.
Okay.
We got 30 seconds left.
Yeah, don't press it until he says fire in the hole.
I gotcha.
Okay.
Hold on. A couple test shots. All right.
This is unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this. So we have everybody up there checking it out.
Alright, hold it. The remote in the air. Press A. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
Ready?
Press the button. Hold it in.
Hold it. I am holding it. I'm holding it. I'm holding it.
She is pressing the A.
Go.
Alright, we're gonna go.
Go!
Okay, Steph, hold it up.
Yeah, what is it? I'm holding it.
Okay. She is pressing the A.
Let them off, dude. Tell them to go. Should I press it again?
I don't know. Should she keep pressing it? She wants to know.
Alright, thanks for coming out. Good night. Oh, poor baby.
So the fireworks are going off. $9,000 in fireworks, folks. So apparently there's like a delay after she presses the button for safety reasons. Oh my God, this is incredible. Unbelievable. At a wedding. What? What? I can't believe this is a wedding. This is like Philadelphia quality. My God. Everyone's checking it out.
Really work at it.